So we've got this. I'm now going to deform it slightly. Go to my modifier list, and I'll create a freeform modifier box of 3 by 3. And I'll just grab the control points. Here we go. Grab all the control points, lift them up. Probably scale them in slightly as well. There we go. And then I'll take these and I'll lift them up slightly. And then just bring that down. Yeah, maybe bring this down. Oh, that's what you get for using a laser mouse. So that's quite an interesting shape, I think. I quite like that. So zooming in here, I'll right click, convert it to an editable polygon, and I'll just squish it in. And then I'll turn it around by 180 degrees. And we'll bring that out of the mesh. There we go. And I think just to make sure, again, you don't have to add a material onto it. Again, I do this simply because it's a belt and braces exercise. There's no need to do it, but it does look a lot better. So now we've got that one done. What I want to do is just select that one. There we go. We'll make a copy of that. Rotate it again by 180 degrees because we want to put one on the other side as well. Right. So here we go. Invalid Boolean. Ah! Check for self-intersection. Interesting. Okay, I wasn't expecting it to do that. Let's convert that back. To an editable polygon. I wasn't expecting that to happen at all. Okay, so convert this to an editable polygon. Okay, we're going to have to go back quite a few steps now, I think. That is indeed now an editable polygon. Well, there you go. 3D Studio Max likes to destroy your work. Hang on a minute. Okay, well, I'm not quite sure what happened there, but okay, well, I'm not quite sure what happened there. It was obviously something to do with the mesh. I obviously did something wrong. Always worth avoiding, obviously. So now that we have the sections booleaned out here, what I'm going to do is just, in the same way that I use this button here, in fact, I might even just convert this back to an editable polygon. I might even just grab one of these buttons and just slide it over the top. There we go, and just scale it up a little bit actually. Because it's exactly what we wanted anyway. This is all I was going to recreate. put that in. There you go, that's absolutely perfect. And I'll just shift and drag that one across. We'll rotate this 180 degrees. And we'll put that back in place. And there we have it. Very simple, very easy, quick release mechanism. I think something we could also possibly do to this is, if it'll allow me to, yes, there's an awful lot of vertices there. I think possibly grab all of the vertices. This is just to tidy up. We'll see how far this goes. Try doing a weld. Don't think we're going to get a chamfer out of this, are we? No. The other thing to have done would have been to put a chamfer on that. But there you go.